Celebrities.
What skirting would they choose? We start with Cara Delevigne, who you might expect to have a unique style to her home, and she doesn't disappoint. AD shows off many quirky features, but if we look closer we can see that she is fond of skirting and mostly the period kind. As an aside, we like the way she has used dado rail to make a feature of the wallpaper in this room. Perhaps covering the whole of her walls with this was too expensive, even for her budget. Whilst the skirting continues with the same style throughout her home, we do get a couple of glimpses of her architrave choice too, where she appears to have matched it. You can see that even when using the same profile, the different orientation gives an alternative emphasis on the shadows and highlights. Farewell to Cara, as her skirting shares the limelight with her bold but wonderful carpet. Oh, look. It's Jaime Bannister. Game of Thrones star Nikolaj Coster-Waldau, as you may expect, naturally goes for the Scandi look for his home. What does this Great Dane choose as a fitting skirting for this style? From what we can tell, it's the classic, OG profile. It adds a softer touch to the sharper lines present in contemporary designs, and shows the versatility of a simple profile to adapt to any home. Hi Nikolaj. Next up is tennis legend Serena Williams. Her stylish home features another modern skirting style, similar to our double crown profile. You can see that the inclusion of her skirting was well thought through, as it fits in well with other features within her home. Her boards are on the taller side and make use of plinth blocks to create a better transition from skirting to architrave. One choice she's made, which is often a consideration when going for tall skirting boards, is with regards to her wall sockets. In this case, you can see that she's decided to incorporate them into the skirting itself, rather than work around them. It's also interesting to note that the style of skirtings used by these celebs is consistent throughout their homes. You could say, skirting, architrave, match. Popsmith, Mark Ronson, has quite a traditional Spanish villa feel to his home, so you may not expect to see skirting, yet, there it is. It's more noticeable elsewhere in his home, as we are guided through. Despite very much looking like a villa, he has added a traditional English feel to the kitchen dining room, with dado as well as skirting. However, the open archways don't really lend themselves to using standard architrave due to the curves. What he has done is themed each area, so whilst the skirting may be painted different to the walls in one room, it is then painted the same in another. Mark breaks the previous pattern, established earlier, by having different skirting styles. Notably in the hall, which seems to have a custom-made square profile, due to all the curves. And, in his bedroom where it appears to be either a chamfer or a swallow-like profile. Otherwise, most of the rooms appear to have gone with the ever-popular, detailed, Victorian profile. Our final peek behind the curtain is with superstar Kendall Jenner. Her home borders on ultra-contemporary with many unique features, and makes room for her many achievements. The contrast between light and dark materials is present in almost every room. The large walls are a canvas for her interests. Whether it is books or art, Kendall wants each room to have a focal point. Did you notice which skirting Kendall Jenner chose? It was square. Why has Miss Jenner gone for the plainest skirting? It's probably because that is its strength. She doesn't want the lines of her walls and doorways to draw the eye. She has other things in each room to do that. But she just wants something as an accent to her decor. And that's where the humble square edge profile comes in, and why it remains popular in interior designs such as this. Thanks to Architectural Digest for bringing us into these homes, and we hope you like this unique view of our chosen celebrity homes. We obsess over skirting, so you don't have to. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then you know what to do. Just like and subscribe, as it is an encouragement to make more fun videos. Thank you for watching.